Hey everyone, Dave here with Headset Advisor. Headphones typically have the best sounding speakers as far as listening to music and audio of any kind, such as the Sonos Ace headphones like I have here, Apple AirPod Pro Max, or even wired ones like the Sennheiser HD headphones, which all sound great for music and listening. However, the microphone is either non-existent or just terrible. That is until the Modmic 2, which is a wired microphone that you can attach to your favorite headphones that gives you the ability for a high-powered microphone that also has noise canceling technology built into it, which of course we are going to test out thoroughly later in this video against noises like barking dogs or a loud blender, and you can hear the performance for yourself. The Modmic 2 is available in two versions. You have the Uni 2, which is the microphone with a 3.5 millimeter connection for just under $60. Then you have the USB 2 version, which includes USB-A and USB-C connection with the microphone for just under $90. Included in the box is the microphone. You have a carrying case. You have a replacement attachment, so if you want to connect it to multiple headphones or the other attachment falls off, you have some replacements, a way to manage the cable a bit better, and you have a cleaning wipe along with the USB-A to USB-C converter for the USB version. Here's how it works. You'll peel back the sticker, then you'll position the microphone so that it will be close to your mouth and press it onto the headphones for about 3 to 5 seconds until the sticker is adhered onto the headphones properly, and then you can position the microphone close to your mouth. I like that the microphone attachment is magnetic, so you're able to just simply remove the microphone from your headphones so that it's detached, but the part with the sticker stays on the headphones. So when you're ready to attach back on the microphone, you just put it in on the magnet and it snaps into position. The microphone boom is fully bendable, so you can position the microphone closer to your mouth or away to really fine tune the performance for the microphone. And it does have a foam cover over the end of the microphone to help with wind noise, which is a nice touch. The cable is a little over 6 feet in length, and depending upon which model you'll get, you'll plug in either the 3.5 millimeter connection or the USB portion into your computer. After it's connected on your computer, you're going to select the headphones as your speaker settings and the Modmic as your microphone settings. Same thing on your applications such as Zoom, Teams, or Ring Central. You'll select your headphones as the speakers and your Modmic microphone as the microphone. This way you'll be able to take advantage of the high quality speakers on your headphones while still having a good microphone with the Modmic. Have a listen to how the Modmic 2 microphone performs, especially with noise going on in the background. All right, now this is what the Modmic 2 sounds like in a quiet environment. This is the voice quality. And as I mentioned before, it is a bendable microphone boom, so it changes the quality of voice when you bend the microphone, trying to get it towards the corner of your mouth. And this is what it sounds like in a quiet environment. And for comparison, this is the Sonos Ace in a quiet environment. This is what the microphone sounds like. And this is what it sounds like with typing going on in the background with the Modmic 2. This is what it sounds like with typing. This is what it sounds like with typing on the Sonos Ace. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like with barking dogs going on in the background with the Modmic 2. This is what it sounds like with barking dogs. And this is what it sounds like on the Sonos Ace with dogs barking in the background. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like with crying babies going on in the background with the Modmic 2 and crying baby noises. This is what it sounds like with crying babies going on in the background with the Sonos Ace and crying babies going on in the background.
And this is what it sounds like with a roaring loud blender with the Modmic 2 and the blender going on in the background. And this is what it sounds like with a roaring blender next to the Sono face.
What did you think of the microphone performance? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you need more microphone noise cancellation, we just released a new noise canceling software called Neep Noise Canceling Software, which is an app you download on your computer and will work with just about any headset or microphone and will block out most background noises like colleagues talking in the background, such as a call center, or even when working from home, dogs barking or kids playing. Have a listen to how it performs for yourself.
And this is what it sounds like with typing on the Sonos Ace with Neep noise canceling software turned on. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like with Neep noise canceling software. This is what it sounds like with barking dogs going on in the background. And this is what it sounds like with crying babies going on in the background with Neep. This is what it sounds like with crying babies.
You can try Neep noise canceling software for free by going to neep.com and see how it works for you. Overall, if you're someone who loves the sound quality of your headphones, but you don't like the microphone performance or your headphones don't have a microphone, then the Modmic 2 is a great option for you to consider, being that you're able to get high-powered microphone so that no matter if you're doing phone calls, video meetings, or if you're gaming with friends on Discord or even on Xbox or PlayStation, you'll be able to take advantage of that microphone while having the sound quality of your headphones. I'll have a link to both of these microphones in the video description below. These are Amazon affiliate links, so we will get a small commission, which helps support our small family-owned business and this channel so we can keep making content. If you need help finding headsets for a team of people, that's what our company here at Headset Advisor does every day. We'll help find you the best headset for your situation, make sure it's compatible with your phone system and the best solution for your environment. So give our team of friendly advisors a call, email, or live chat with us, and we'd love to help you out. Well, that's all I got for you on this video. If you want to learn more about that Neep noise canceling software, check out the full in-depth review video we did, showed you the software, how it works, and also tested against blender noises and such. That's all I got for you on this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and we will see you on the next one.